Guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be teaching us how to make a pillow gift box, and these are the materials we'll be making use of: our top bond, our ruler, our pen or pencil, our scissors, and an old CD plate, and of course our cardboard. So you can make use of any cardboard of your choice. You can make use of a chipboard. You can make use of art paper, a craft paper. So any cardboard of your choice of any color, you can make use of that. So now our measurement we'll be making use of is six and a half by 6.5, because it's a square shape here. 6.5. It's 6.5. 6.5 by 6.5. After that, what I did here was just measure out ½ inch. So you just measure ½ inch from this point, then you rule. So once that is done, you're going to fold this in. Fold this in and take this. So now we take our CD plate, place it like this. And you trace. Do so here. I'm going to cut it out.